Before a gunship rules the battlefield, it is born in silence, steel, and fire. Behind these walls, America's deadliest guardians of the sky are born.
Every machine here can change the outcome of a battlefield.
From raw materials arriving at dawn. Here, the heart of the helicopter is forged. The blades, the soul of flight.
Initiating slow spin, vibration check on the main. Stable. Now run the tail rotor sequence.
We have a minor harmonic spike at 30 Hertz.
Clear on the alignment pin.
Applying torque to bracket 3, reading 50 foot-pounds.
Check the hydraulic lines next.
This is where intelligence is installed, the digital brain of the helicopter.
Intercom check, how copy?
5x5, toggling master arm switch.
Roger that. Displays are synchronized.
Harness secure. Continuity check passing.
Systems linked. Systems linked. Ready for dry fire.
All inspections are complete. The diagnostic report confirms nominal status.
Excellent. We can sign off on the final checklist.
Heat performance checklist complete. Engine temperatures stable. Hydraulics nominal.
Activating night vision. How's the feed look?
Crystal clear, Captain. We are good to go.
Stability levels holding steady during S-curve. Lateral G at 0.4. Engine torque remains within limits.
Weapons hot. Range is clear.
Firing chain gun and rockets. Splash in 3, 2, 1.
Laser lock confirmed. Weapon hot.
Maintain stabilization. You are clear to fire.
Firing. Missile away.
The torque reading is fluctuating rapidly at 75,000 feet.
Altitude compensation is engaged. We are showing green across the board.
Chief Test Pilot signs off initial airworthiness certificate. Army Inspector performing final walk-around inspection.
How are those tensioners looking? Are we secure?
Yes, Sergeant. All points verified. Cargo is secured.
Brand new attack helicopter being towed toward runway. Engines igniting for maiden military acceptance flight. Takeoff in slow motion as dust swirls beneath landing gear.